You're watching Code 3 Rewind. Real footage, no filters. Was this justified? Drop your take in the comments. And help me hit 1,000 subs. Subscribe now and say I'm in below.
Where's he at?
Yeah, so, come on. Listen, you don't have to put a bullet in me. Oh, put a bullet in me. Listen. Look at that shit, it's not. Come on.
148 Central. We need an additional. Taser deployed Central. Central.
Oh, he went through the back door. Yeah. Where's he at?
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Bro, who?
Listen.
You don't have to put a bullet in me. Oh, you don't have to put a bullet in me.
Miss, man.
Look at that shit, it's not.
Housing 148 Central. We need an additional. Taser deployed Central. Central.
Yeah.
Bro, come on.
Bro, who?
Housing 148 Central. We need an additional. Taser deployed Central. Central.